Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a Jeep Cherokee. Begin by parking on level ground, letting the engine cool, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Open the hood and locate the upper radiator hose and thermostat housing. Drain enough coolant into a container, then remove the hose and unbolt the housing carefully. Keep fasteners organized and clean gasket surfaces before installing the new thermostat and reassembling. With the coolant drained and the battery disconnected, loosen the hose clamp and slide the upper radiator hose off the thermostat housing. Use a ratchet to remove the housing bolts in a star pattern to prevent warping. Carefully lift the housing and remove the old thermostat, noting its orientation for correct reinstallation. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly with a scraper and solvent to ensure a proper seal when you install the new thermostat. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is short, so go darn tough for socks that last with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long garage days or road trips. I use them between projects, and they make wrenching a bit more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new thermostat with the spring pointed into the engine block and seat it evenly. Fit a new gasket, or apply the recommended sealant, then reinstall the housing and tighten bolts to the manufacturer's torque specification. Reconnect the upper radiator hose and fill the cooling system with the proper coolant mixture. Start the engine, monitor temperature, bleed trapped air using the heater and bleed screws, and inspect for leaks while the engine reaches operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.